Batho ba Mzansi dumelang. Ke ka Mvakate ya buang. Ke la amohela hape on my YouTube channel. Ha o le motjha channeleng ena na ke kopa o subscribe o tle le the notification bell hore kgono o tseba ha video tse ntjha di kena. So ka jeno re tlo etsa revision ya paper 1 solve for x question 1. Ha hle re qale. Dumelang bathong, ke la amohela hape on my YouTube channel. Ka jeno re tlo etsa solve for x, which is question 1. So don't kill a question from a previous question paper, yeah, 2016. This is the what to call exam, yeah, November. Yeah, grade 11. So I tell here question 1 bara solve for x in each of the following. So if renale question ya mufuta onana, especially mo bareng leave your answer correct to 2 decimal places. So I know ba easy for rona hore re factorize simple. So re to sebedisa a quadratic formula. So quadratic formula ya rona re sebedisa jwang? Quadratic formula ya rona re to sebedisa ka tsela e latelang. Re tlo reng e tla be le 1.1 ke 3x squared minus 5x minus 1 is equal to 0. And then our quadratic formula, re fumana ka quadratic formula yona we fumana ka morao on your formula sheet. Tlamehile o kopolle e le jwalo ho tswa kae ho formula sheet. So tlamehile re tlo re x is equal to negative b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So hona mono re tla re ja ena ke eng, ena ke a, ena ke b, ena ke c. So re tlo substitute dile jwalo ka formula on our quadratic formula. So be re etsa jwang he? Be re x is equal to negative b ke kae ke minus 5. Re kenya le jwalo be re plus minus the square root of b squared, b ke kae ke minus 5 e tlo ba squared minus 4 into a ya rona ke kae, a ya rona ke 3 and then c ya rona ke kae ke negative 1 all over 2a. A ya rona ke kae man, a ya rona ke 3. So ntho re tlo etsang ya pele re tlo thola karabo tsa rona tsa x tse pedi. So ntho re etsang ya pele ko re etsang re qala mona na ele plus and then re tlo change mona re sebisa minus. So it will be negative into negative 5 and re plus the square root of negative 5 squared minus 4 into 3 close bracket open bracket negative 1 be 2 multiply all over 2 multiply by 3. So karabo ka ya pele infile 1,84. So mara ntse le 1,84 mo ra hopola hore beitse leave your answer correct to 2 decimal places. So ha re sebisa plus mane ya pele re thola kae 1,8 mona ke kae ke 7. So re round off mona tlo ba 1,85 e tlo ba 1,85. Ya bobedi ke khukile hape mane ona mo calculating ya ka mane. So mo ke bonang mane mo le plus se ke change ke kenya negative. So mo se le negative 6 negative e we bona mo. So e ba negative. So e ba kae e ba negative 1,80. So e tlo ba negative 1, negative 0. Sorry for that, it's negative 0,18, negative 0,18. So ke answer tsaka di le pedi tseo. So re khutle re shebe 1.1.2 mo ho to x squared minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. So ha ke fitla mo no be ke reng re tlo re 1.1.2 1.1.2 re itse mono re itse x squared minus 6x plus 8 ile kana le kae ile kana le 0. So mona ga kgona re itse re bule 2 brackets be re equal to 0. So mona ga re tlo re x so re batle eng re batle di factor tsa x tsa 8 di factors tsa 8 tseo ha re di kopanya kapa re di minus re di subtract di re fe kae di re fe negative 6 di re fe 6 enana. So ka mantswe mang ke 4 le 2 cos 4 multiply by 2 e re fa kae 4 multiply by 2 4 multiply by 2 e re fa 8 re tsa 4 multiply by 2 4 multiply by 2 e re fa eng e re fa 8 hape 4 plus 2 e re fa kae e re fa 6 ena ke feng ke ane mare man. So mara bona hore inana jwang e negative so e tlo ba negative 4 negative 2 e re fa negative 6. So mona ena e tlo ba eng e tlo ba negative 2 ka mona e ba negative 4 mara hape re check man negative multiply by negative positive 2 times 4 ke 8. So factor tsena di right tsena. So re tlo renga re fitla mo re x minus 2 is equal to 0 or x minus 4 is equal to 0. So re transpose 2 inana bonana eba x equal to 2 ka mona e tlo ba x equal to 4 ke yo he re fumane di x values tsa rona for 1.1.2. Okay re khutle hape re tle kae mo 1.1.3. So 1.1.3 re na le 4x minus 2x squared a re shebe mo re na le eng ho 1.1.3 a re shebe ho 1.1.3 be re bana le 4x minus 2x squared bana le 4x minus 2x squared is less than 0. So ena ke eng ena ke an inequality. So ho di inequality re tlo etsa jwang mona re 1.1.3 re 4x minus 2x squared is less than 0. So na ke rata ho etsang ha ke fitla mona na ke qale ke be jwang ho standard form ka mantso mang ke qala ka what to call ka degree e kgolo because bona mona ke 2 mona ke 1 ke qala ka inana ya degree e kgolo. So ke tlo re negative 2x squared plus 4x is less than 0 number fela ke di beha hantle mona. So ha ke qeta re tlo etsa jwang re tlo sheba the common factor. Okay the common factor ke 2 in terms of what in terms ya di value not ya di variable. So ke negative 2 so ke tlo etsang ke divide throughout ka negative 2. So if I divide throughout ka negative 2 ga tseba ho di inequality this sign e tlo etsang e tlo change. So mona se re tlo bana le x squared re tlo bana le x squared minus 2x is greater than 0. So ha re fitla mona na ke mo re tlo etsang jwang ke mo re tlo bulang di bracket tsa rona what to call tse pedi kapa re la re sa di bule pele ga qala ga batla eng ga qala ga batla di critical values. So di critical values tsa rona re tlo bana le x squared minus 2x is greater than that is equal to 0 So ha re fitla mona be re ntsha the common factor in this case it will ba x go sala x ka mona re setse ka minus 2 ile kana le 0. Okay or step sena nonka se beya kae wa se beya mana ga bana le x minus 2 is greater than 0. Then ha re tloa mo ebe re tla mo re tlo batlang di critical value. So ha batla di critical value re sebedisa sign mo re sebedisa equal sign, yeah. Ha re sa sebedisa ya greater or less. Ha re fitla mona re sebedisa ya equal sign because re batla di critical value mona. So mona e tlo ba x is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x it will kana ka transpose ina re tlisa ka mo e tlo ba 2. E tlo ba 0 le kae e tlo ba 0 le 2. So ha re le 0 le 2 jwalo, so ha re so arabe part yane man. So re araba jwang eo re qala ka ho try re try parabola ya rona because ra bona go mona na e ya rona jwang e positive, so re shifts hodimo. So re try parabola ya rona ka tsela ena re mona. So mona re tobana le kae 0 mona re bona le kae re bona le 2. So ho etsala jwang ha o di tjena? So be kere ka mona ka side le ka mo ka o fela lona le part in na e representa eng? E representa mo y e leng greater than mang, mo le greater than 0 part eo. So ina e ka fatshe ina e representa eng? Mo y e leng jwang e leng less than 0. Ho tloa mo ina e mahareng e line in ya the x axis mo ra tseba gore y is equal to 0. That's why re batla the x intercept re dula re etsa y le kana le 0. So y le kana le 0 mo ma ka hodimo y e kgolo ho 0 ka mona na y e nyane ho kae ho 0. So re khutlele kae? Re khutlele man. So mona ga bona ntwe e tshwana le y ntwe e tshwana le y. So ba re batle mo o etsalang re batle mo e leng jwang, mo e leng greater than 0. So mo e leng greater than 0 ko kae ke parting ena mona ga bona go mona na e jwang e greater than 0 le parting e feng le parting ena ga bona go mona e greater than 0. So re etsang re shade side le ka mo be re shade le side le feng be re shade side le ka mona mara tamne re ngole di value tseo re tlo fumanang y ya rona le greater than 0. So ha khutlela ntho rona ga bona okay ha o tloa mona tlamehile re kae tlamehile re kwa, and then ha o tloa mo ho x ina tlamehile re kae tlamehile re kwa. So ka mantswe ma ke value tse feng tseo where x is less than mang is less than 0 graph ya rona jwang e greater than 0 be re end ko kae happy mo ga tsa go tlamehile re kae tlamehile re kwa because graph ya rona mo e greater than 0 ha re tloa mona re ya kwa e tlo ba x must be greater than mang greater than 2. So ke tsona tsenana di karabo tsa rona for kae for 1.1.1.3. Re tle hape re etse 1.1.4 re na le 1.1.4 re na le 2 to the exponent 3x plus 1 plus 2 to the exponent 3x is equal to 12. So how do we go about this one? Re tlo etsa ka tsela e so ina re tlo re 1.1.4 bereng ngola se re na leng sona mona e leng 2 to the exponent 3x plus 1 plus 2 to the exponent 3x ele kana le kae ele kana le 12. So every time ha re na le an addition sign mo di exponents kapa a subtraction sign ga tseba go ntho tsena re kgona go di arola ka eng ka o sebedisa law ya an exponent e reng ha re multiplier the powers with the same base be re adda di exponents. So re tlo reng he re tlo re 2 to the exponent 3x e lekana le 2 to the exponent 1 because ra tseba hore di base di a tshwana, then re tlo adda eng the exponent, so into e tlo ba 3x plus 1 ke ane man, so re khutitsa mona be re bana le plus 2 to the exponent 3x mona ke 2 to exponent 3x e lekana le bokae. These 12 tlamehile re bate di factors tsa teng, so factors tsa 12 ra tseba hore ke 4 le 3, ra tseba hore 4 times 3 ke bokae ke 12, but we know hape hore that 4 re kgona ho etsa bokae e be 2 squared ke bokae 2 squared ke 4, so ka mantswe a mang ka mona re tlo bana le 2 squared multiplied by 3 e re fa bokae e re fa 12. So ntse re le mo be re bona mona, okay, this side we've got what, we've got the common factor rona ke bokae ke 2 to the exponent 3x, re sala ka bokae mo, re sala ka 2, ka mona o sala bokae ho sala 1, and then ka mona na ntse re na le 2 to the exponent 2 multiplied by 3, mara bona mona 2 plus 1 e tlo fa bokae e tlo ba 2 to the exponent 3x, 2 plus 1 ke 3, be re na le 2 squared times mang times 3, so re tsa jwang mo, re divide maside a le mabedi ka bokae ka 3 ena ntsha 3 ena 3 ena ntsha 3 yana, so re setse ka eng hona jwale ka 2 to the exponent 3x is equal to mang 2 to the exponent 2, so ha ile 2 to the exponent 2 ele ka mora na le 2 to the exponent 3x, ha re sheba ntho tse di le pedi tsena ra bona hore di base di etsang di base di a tshwana, so ha base di tshwana what do, we equate the exponents, so in this case it will be 3x is equal to 2, and then we are looking for x, what do, now we must divide both sides ka 3 divided by 3, this cancels that, and then x a rona ke 2 over 3, just like that. Repeat re tswelle ha re tswella re tsera bokae re etse 1.1.5 re na le root, and under the root we've got what, re na le x minus 1 plus 3 which is equal to x minus 4, so ha re fitla parting eo re etsa jwang ke tlo re 1.1.5 e tlo ba root of x minus 1 plus 3 is equal to x minus 4. So if this is the case, guys, ntho e tlameileng re etse ke ntho e tlameileng o etse kore o etseng o transpose nomoro e o ise ka mona re sale ka root le ntho e setseng ka hara root eo, so re tlo bana le x minus 1 is equal to x minus 4, ha re transpose re tlisa ka mo e tlo ba bokae minus 3, and then re tlo qeteletsa re na le x minus 1 is equal to x minus 7. So ha o so ditse ntho e re etsang o tloa mo re batla go tlosa eng square root sena re se tlosa jwang, square root sena re se tlosa ka square, re se tlosa ka what you do on the left you also do on the right, so this square will cancel that square root, and then re sala ka eng ka mo, re sala ka x minus 1 e lekana le eng e lekana, so x mona e tlo re fa eng e tlo re fa x squared, and then be negative 7 multiplied by x e tlo re fa negative 7x multiplied by 2 e re fe minus 14x, inana negative 7 squared e tlo re fa bokae e tlo re fa plus 49. So if o sa kgone ho sebedisa tsela e ke sebedisitseng ho expanda ntho ka etsang gore o ka ngola x minus 7 wa reng hape wa bula bracketing wa x minus 7 o bo sebedisa eng the FOIL method. So ito o lahlela kae, ito o lahlela mona. Ha ke fitla mo be ke nka tsena di le pedi ke etsang ke di lahlela ka nkana. So ka mona ke sala ke na le kae, ke sala ke na le 0. So ke sala ke na le 0 be ke tlo bana le x squared minus 14x plus 49. X ena ha e tla ka mona e tlo ba jwang, e tlo ba negative 1 ena ha e tla ka mona e tlo ba jwang, e tlo ba positive 1. So mona be re bana le 0 e lekana le x squared minus e tlo ba 15x, hape di sign di a tshwana ga di add. So mona e tlo ba 49 plus 1 e ba kae, e ba 50. So ha re fitla mo, what do? We can open two brackets. Ga batla di factors tsa 50 tse tlo re fa mkae 15. Ga tsa gore ke 5 multiplied by 10. 5 multiplied by 10, 5 multiplied by 10 ke 50. 5 multiplied by 10 ke 50. And then ga tseba gore 5 plus 10 ke kae, ke 15. Ke 15. So mara mona re batla le jwang mo, mona na re batla le jwang ka mantswe a mang 49 50. Okay, di factors tsa rona mo re tlo bana le x le x, x le x. So it will be minus 5 e ba kae, e ba minus 10. So tlamehile e be kae mo, e be minus 5 minus 10. Minus 5 minus 10 e re fa minus 15 yani re batla man. So ka mantswe a mang re tlo re x minus 5 is equal to 0 or x minus 10 is equal to 0. X e tlo kana le kae, le 5 kapo x e tlo kana le kae, le 10. So ke tsona di values tsa rona tsa x tseo re di fumane from this question. Re phetheretse jwang, re phetheretse 1.2 ke solve for x and y simultaneously. So mo tlamehile re sebedise eng, re sebedise simultaneous equation. So simultaneous equation re tlo sebedisa ka tsela e jwang. Now re na le 3x minus y plus 2 equal to 0 and y equals to negative x squared plus 2x plus 8. Okay, ke rata ho etsa jwang ha ke fitla mo, ke re ke 1.1.2 be re qala ka eng, re na le what to call 3x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. This is going to be our equation 1. And then we have y is equal to negative x squared plus 2x plus 8. This is equation 2. Okay, so mara ke rata ho etsa ho sebetsa yani ya a linear abo mo x ina leng degree a1. So in this case ke tlo y e be the subject of the formula. Okay, transpose y ena ke itlisa ka mo ka mantswe a mang ntwena e tlo ba 3x plus 2 is equal to y. I want so ntwena e lekana le y is equal to 3x plus 2. This is equation 3 from equation 1. Re ska ithola re ntse phoso re substitute equation 3 re kenya 1 because 3 tswa kae, e tswa ho 1. Berere okay, substitute equation 1 equation 3 not 1 equation 3 into equation 1 equation 3 into equation 1 into equation 2 sorry into equation 2 because 3 is from 1. So we have to substitute 3 into equation 2. Okay, substitute equation 3 into equation 2, just like that. Now let us continue. Then equation 2 is this, so we're gonna take this and substitute it there where we see y. So this is going to be 3x plus 2 is equal to negative x squared plus 2x plus 8. So what do? We take all these to this other side. Re di tlisa ka mo kaofela tsona. So re di tlisa ka mo e tlo ba eng? E tlo ba x squared minus 2x minus 8 e thola eng plus 3x plus 2 di le kana kae le 0. So re mo re fika mo re x squared re tlo thola kae mo re tlo thola plus x and then mona be ba kae minus, okay se re qetile ka e be re bana le inana ya minus 8 plus 2 e tlo re fa minus 6 ile kana kae ile kana le 0. Ha re fitla mo we open two brackets, re batla di factors tsa kae tsa x ke x, tsa 6 tse a re di kopanya kapa re di minus re di fe 1 mo e positive. So it tlo ba 3 le kae le 2 cause 3 times 2 ke 6, hape 3 minus 2 ke 1 e mo. Aya, so I get into ka thoko ke re mo ke re ka matsomo 3 multiplied by 2 ke 6. Aya, and hape 3 minus 2 ke kae ke 1 ya ne re batla mma. So mona e tlo ba kae e tlo ba ritimo riti ena tlamne be jwang e be positive and be negative. So e tlo ba x plus 3 minus 2. So re tlo bana le x plus 3 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is gonna be equal to negative 3 or x is equal to 2. And then the next step, ha re batla y, we substitute x values into equation 3. So for inana re tlo re y is equal to ke it tlo ba 3 into negative 3 plus 2. Monana ke an happy man it tlo ba y is equal to 3 into 2 plus 2. So y tlo ba kae mo tlo ba negative 6 plus 2 e be re fa kae, oh negative 9, sorry negative 9. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9 plus 2 is negative 7. And then this one here, 3 times 2 is going to be 6. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 gives us how much? This will give us 8. So this is the value for x, and these are the values for y. So that is how we solve for x and y simultaneously. Okay, now let us come to our last question, which is on 1.3, which is covering the part of nature of roots. Now with the nature of roots, what do we have here? They say show that the root of 3x squared plus k plus 2x is equals to 1 minus k. are real and rational for all values of x. So the first thing that we must do with this question is that we must put all these to what? To standard form. So standard form will be ax squared. Our standard form must be in this form: ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form. So what do we have? We have, this is the standard form. What do we have? We've got 3x squared plus k plus 2x equal to 1 minus k. So we must transpose this to this other side. So what are we going to have after transposing? We're going to get 3x squared plus k plus 2x minus 1 plus k is equal to 0. Okay, so we can decide to also put this thing inside of brackets. If we put this in brackets, what are we going to have? We're going to have 3x squared plus k plus 2x, and then we take the negative out. If you take the negative out, the negative value becomes positive inside the bracket. The positive one becomes negative inside the bracket. So that when we distribute this negative, we can go back there. Negative multiplied by 1, negative 1, negative multiplied by negative, positive. Yeah. So hona jwanong re na le our A, B and C. Re na le A, mona itlo ba B, mona itlo ba A, mona itlo ba C. Aya. So mara he mona na beitse show that the root of 3x squared plus k plus 2x is equals to 1 minus k are real and rational for all values of k. So okay, the delta which is b squared minus 4ac, it must be greater than 0, and also be a perfect square. So when solving this, we must get what? We must get a perfect square. So berere delta is equal to what? Is equal to b squared minus 4ac. So we substitute what? We substitute our b. That will be k plus 2 squared minus 4. A, what is our A? Our A is 3. And then our C is going to be what? Our C is going to be, because this is one value, is going to be negative into 1 minus k is equal to 0. So what are we going to get? We are going to get here, okay, let's do like this: k plus 2 k plus 2 squared, 4 times 3 ki 12. So negative multiplied by negative, it will positive. So we're positive 12 multiplied by 1 minus k. No, it's not equal to 0. Sorry for that. Equal to 0. And then k k squared. 2 multiplied by k 2k multiplied by 2 4k. 2 squared ki 4. 12 times 1 more ki 12. 12 minus k, it will negative 12k. So renali ngape, renali k squared Renale k squared, k squared, le 4k, tsena di tsang di a tshwana ke like terms. Re tlo bana le minus 8k mon. And then mona re bana le kae? Re bana le plus 16. So to tseno after mona re tsang minus negative 4 it will refer negative 8, which is that. So se re tseba mona re tlo le k minus 4 and k minus 4. So let's allow this, so this is going to be k minus 4 squared. So I want a delta in. So I want okay, our delta in again is a perfect square. So for all values of k, come on, re tlo dula re thola value positive, and then in 29 again is a perfect square. So re reng b squared minus 4ac is a perfect square. So what does that mean? It means now for all values of k, returnally real and rational numbers. So re thola jwalo he ke a tshepa hore le utlwisitse question 1 enana e tla be re etsa ya question 16. Ke kopa le shebe video e tla latela ya question 2 ke a leboha. Batho phone ke yona no stop record.